Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Supercharger DSC in Forza 6. So as you can see here, to complete this mission here, car upgrades, I need to install a Supercharger DSC. And to do so first of all, go to your garage, return to home, and then I will show you what car specifically has this. Maybe probably more cars will have it, but Dodge Challenger CRT Demon will definitely have this perk here. So we just need to go to cars, upgrades and tuning, then custom upgrade, then here you will see engine, and then you need to look for, as you can see here, positive displacement supercharger, and then you just need to install it here, and then go back, install parts, pay the money, wait for a couple of seconds until it finishes. And now if we go back, we definitely should have this thing installed. As you can see here, the Supercharger DSC is installed, and I just completed car upgrades. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.